There's a fascinating concept in the universe that suggests everything you experience is a direct reflection of your inner world. This idea, known as the mirror principle, reveals that the thoughts, beliefs, and emotions we hold within are reflected back to us in the situations, people, and experiences we encounter. Today, we're going to look into how this principle works, why it's so powerful, and how understanding it can help you shape the reality you want to experience. By recognizing that life reflects what's within, you'll uncover a new level of personal growth and transformation. The mirror principle is based on the idea that the world around us reflects what's going on inside us. It's as though life itself is a mirror, showing us a snapshot of our own thoughts, beliefs, and emotions. This principle suggests that the energy we put out into the world is reflected back to us, helping us understand more about who we are at our core. At its essence, the mirror principle tells us that our inner state creates the reality we experience. This idea is foundational in the law of attraction, which holds that like attracts like. When we approach life with positivity, gratitude, and openness, our experiences tend to reflect those qualities. But when we carry self-doubt, fear, or negativity, those emotions can create situations that mirror those same feelings. The mirror principle shifts our perspective from seeing life as something happening to us, to seeing it as something we co-create. Each experience, whether positive or challenging, becomes an opportunity for self-reflection. This understanding empowers us to look at life's circumstances as feedback, showing us the beliefs and emotions we may need to address or nurture. If you're often met with frustration, conflict, or setbacks, it may reflect unresolved issues within, such as stress, fear, or limiting beliefs. On the other hand, experiencing peace, support, or opportunities can signal self-confidence, openness, and inner positivity. When we understand this, we start to see ourselves as active participants in shaping our reality. The mirror principle is powerful because it encourages us to take responsibility for our experiences. This responsibility isn't about self-blame, it's about acknowledging that our inner world influences our perception and interaction with life. For example, two people may face the same situation, but their reactions could be completely different based on their internal beliefs and emotions. This principle encourages us to explore the impact of our mindset on our experiences. By becoming aware of the thoughts and feelings we carry, we gain insight into the kind of reality we're creating. When we hold positive expectations and a belief in our potential, we invite positive experiences. But when we carry fears and doubts, those too may be mirrored back to us. One of the beautiful aspects of the mirror principle is that it can help us spot limiting beliefs. For instance, if you're struggling in a particular area of life, ask yourself if there's an internal belief holding you back. This self-inquiry can reveal hidden patterns that influence your experiences. Recognizing these patterns is the first step to transforming them. The mirror principle also teaches us to see challenges as lessons. When life presents obstacles, they often reflect areas of growth. For example, a repeated pattern in relationships could point to an underlying belief about worthiness or trust. Seeing challenges as reflections of inner beliefs allows us to address them with self-compassion and curiosity. Understanding this principle also shows us the value of shifting our focus. When we focus on qualities we want more of, such as peace, joy, or abundance, we're more likely to notice and attract experiences that match those qualities. This isn't about ignoring reality but about choosing to align with the experiences we want to create. The mirror principle helps us see the connection between our mindset and our circumstances. It reveals that we have the power to influence our lives by shifting our inner world. This perspective empowers us to create a more fulfilling, intentional life that aligns with our true desires and values. In essence, the mirror principle invites us to take a closer look at the role of our thoughts, beliefs, and emotions in shaping our experiences. It challenges us to be mindful of the energy we carry and to choose thoughts that support the reality we want to create. Each time we engage with this principle, we strengthen our ability to shape our lives from the inside out. By seeing reality as a mirror, we open ourselves to a new way of living, one that's grounded in self-awareness and growth. This principle is a reminder that change doesn't start out there, it starts within. When we cultivate a positive, empowered inner world, life naturally reflects it back to us. Our beliefs are incredibly powerful. They shape our perceptions, influence our actions, and ultimately determine the reality we experience. For example, someone who believes in their ability to succeed will approach life with confidence, noticing opportunities and overcoming challenges. In contrast, a person who doubts their worth may unintentionally push away the very experiences they desire. When we carry beliefs rooted in scarcity, fear, or self-doubt, they're often reflected back to us in the form of difficult experiences or obstacles. This isn't life being unkind, it's simply a mirror showing us what's happening within. When we become aware of these beliefs, we gain the power to transform them and invite new, positive experiences. Changing inner beliefs isn't an overnight process, but each shift, no matter how small, creates ripples in our reality. For example, replacing "I'm not good enough" with "I am capable and worthy" may lead to a reality where you notice more opportunities and receive support from others. The more we choose empowering beliefs, the more our experiences align with growth and positivity. This alignment doesn't mean challenges disappear, it means we're better equipped to handle them. With a positive mindset, we see difficulties as temporary and manageable, reinforcing our sense of confidence and capability. Understanding the mirror principle means recognizing that our reality is a reflection of what we choose to believe. This awareness gives us the freedom to actively create a life that reflects our true values, desires, and strengths. When we dwell on negative thoughts, they can begin to manifest in our lives, creating a cycle of challenges and setbacks. This isn't about punishment, it's a reflection of where our focus is. For example, if we constantly worry about failure, we may unknowingly attract situations that confirm that fear. The mirror principle helps us break free from these patterns by encouraging us to shift our inner dialogue. By choosing thoughts that support positivity and resilience, we can gradually change what life reflects back to us, replacing cycles of negativity with a more fulfilling reality. If you're facing recurring challenges, take a moment to observe your thoughts around them. By consciously shifting to a more supportive mindset, you may find that life begins to mirror back positivity and growth instead of setbacks. When we cultivate positive thoughts, they act like a beacon, attracting similar experiences and opportunities. This doesn't mean that every moment will be perfect, but a mindset focused on growth and optimism creates a foundation for positive outcomes. Positive thoughts don't just influence our external reality, they also impact our emotional resilience. When we approach life with a sense of possibility, we're better able to handle challenges, seeing them as steps in our journey rather than obstacles. By focusing on gratitude, kindness, and self-belief, we align ourselves with experiences that reinforce those feelings. The mirror principle teaches us that positivity creates more positivity, encouraging a life that reflects our highest intentions. Applying the mirror principle in daily life is all about awareness and intentional change. Start by observing your current reality without judgment. What situations or patterns keep appearing? Notice how your thoughts, beliefs, and emotions might be influencing these experiences. For example, if you keep encountering similar challenges, ask yourself if any underlying beliefs are holding you back. One powerful way to work with the mirror principle is through journaling. Each day, write down the situations that stood out to you and any thoughts or feelings associated with them. Reflect on how these inner thoughts may be mirrored in your outer experiences. This practice of self-reflection can reveal patterns and beliefs that you may not have noticed before, helping you take steps toward positive change. Set an intention each morning to approach the day with thoughts and attitudes that support the reality you want. Choose a positive affirmation or mindset to focus on, such as, "I am open to positive experiences," or "I create my reality with intention and purpose." Over time, these small daily choices will begin to shift your inner world, and you'll see life reflecting back the positive changes you're making within. Thank you for exploring the mirror principle with me today. Understanding that reality reflects our inner world is a powerful realization, one that opens the door to personal growth and transformation. By choosing thoughts and beliefs that support the life you want, you're actively shaping your reality from the inside out. If this video inspired you, please consider liking and subscribing for more insights on creating a life that truly reflects your potential. Let's continue this journey together, crafting a reality that mirrors our deepest values and aspirations.